Hi folks, welcome to another video. Just wanted to give you a quick one, little update on the rear quarter panel on the RS Turbo. Pretty much because once I actually weld it in, nobody's ever going to really see it and actually appreciate the work. So I'll give you a quick show of what I've done. So, on the last video you see I'd made this and got it sort of done and I'd made that, but now I've trimmed it up, we've actually welded it all together. So, it's not sat all the way down yet, I still need to do the recesses, but you can see, you know, the angles are all there, how it all should be. So, can't push it all the way down because I haven't cleaned any of them welds up yet. Welds are a bit messy because it's obviously butt welding, but you know, I had decent penetration all the way through. There's a couple of little bits, but I never really notice it. I just need to finish this bottom piece now. Sort of weld all that in. I'm not going to make a little plate for that, I'll just keep spotting it until I've filled it up, so then I can grind it back, grind all these welds up, and then just make the two little recesses. Then it's a matter of trimming it up to actually get it into the car, because I made it too, I can't get it in there in a minute, but yeah, I made it too big, so I need to trim it back. So yeah, I thought I'd give you a quick show of that. Yeah, once I've cleaned it up a bit more and then made the rest of it, I'll be back. Alright, I've actually finished the panel. I had to clean this up a little bit here so I could get this shaped right, but I'm actually over the moon with this. There we go. I made the drains a little bit bigger because it was just easier, I could shape it over this. But there you go, you can see we're in nicely there, all the way following that edge perfectly. Yeah, that's nice there. You know, it's proud there, but you've got to remember it's got to go drop down a little bit. There's still part of the inner sill there, the inner arch. But yeah, that bottom's shaped in quite nicely. I cleaned all the back up as well. I wasn't going to because it'll never be seen, so I wasn't really worried about the welds. But it was just easier to then clean this up to then lay it over here. So now we get to start cleaning the car up. That's where it's got to go, in there. You can see it's pretty much exactly the same as like the piece that had been cut off before. Yeah, it's just gone there, gone up here. There's that drain which I'm going to pull out. So yeah, I'm going to start off with clean all the mud off, and then I'll trim this down, cut this off, and we can actually start getting things welded in, hopefully. Oh, there you go, got it all cleaned up. Nice shiny metal again. Fucking took forever. This shit is horrible to get off, I hate it. But it's done now. You can see here it was quite bad, sort of like a colander. It's got this hole here I didn't really know about. Wasn't on the actual the other piece that was on the bench, and it's actually got a little step in it as well. So I'm gonna have to address that. When I was cleaning up, I did notice it's gone at the back here as well. So I'm gonna have to make another little piece for in here. You can see that has my little mark for where the original panel, the panel that I've just made, comes to. Hopefully it should get that little pin on, so then that'd be nice and strong, nice and solid. That little plug weld popped off, so I have to tack that back on. And then I've just cut this lip off, so then I can get the panel in nice and tight to then mark it all up. I've trimmed this down a little bit because I made it oversized, and then there we go, sort of sits in quite nicely there. The only thing I've got to do is this panel sort of rolls back a little bit over this corner, so I need to just tweak it so it sits flush. But to do that I need to cut that bit out first so I can get it all nice and flush in. I didn't do it with the one on the bench because it had been cut off. I didn't know whether it was twisted. I knew all the measurements and the dimensions would be spot on, but I didn't know whether it would have a twist, and we can always tweak stuff on the car. well, that's it for this video. I'm going to call it a day. It's quite late. It's not that late. It's what, 7 o'clock-ish, give or take. Yeah, I'm not going to do another video on sort of that panel because, you know, I might as well have just done it doing the restoration of the car. But I'm going to save that for when I do the other side. I'll make the whole panel properly and do a dedicated video just to that. So yeah, other than sort of doing a walk around at some point, you probably won't see that again. But I figured, you know, I wanted to do it today. You know, as a car channel, I thought some of you'd actually like to see a completed panel rather than just half of little bits that I made. Yeah, I'm going to be putting the pictures up on Instagram as I weld it, so yeah, head over there, and on Facebook as well. So yeah, head over to one of them to sort of like and follow us, so you get to see all that. Yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. When you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the little notification bell so you're informed of all the videos as and when I do them. Want to give a quick shout out to Joey Collins, absolute diamond geezer, chats to him quite a bit now. He's got a channel. It used to be Real HV Archery, but now it's I think it's Mill Creek Fab Shop. I'll put a link in the description. You know, he's a real inspiration. You know, if you ever think that you can't achieve something in your life, go watch this man and then go have a look in the mirror and just have a serious word with yourself, because what he's achieved is unbelievable, really. You know, I don't think I could have done it. But anyway, go check him out, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye.